Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, local and long-distance movers near me. By using our long-distance movers, you get the professional services you require for a much simpler move. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,000 miles. The best moving services help make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. As well as loading, transportation, unloading, we also offer a lot of other moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the cost when choosing an Illinois moving company. A local moving company provides many advantages, which can make it well worth the expense. A reliable moving company is going to help you save time, no matter how far you're moving. It will also help you from needing to take care of the heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you receive experts ready to make your local move incredibly simple. You don't have to worry about devoting several days managing your move when you pick 3 movers to help. We can complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shiloh moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.